Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can fix that your iPhone battery draining too fast and background app refresh taking your iPhone battery. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you need to open any app. You can see right now Facebook. After that, if I click and close it, you can see, then swap up and you can see appears on screen right now. It's also running in the background and taking my iPhone battery. So how to fix that? There are simple method to fix that. Tap on iPhone settings app and after that you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down again and tap on background app refresh. Okay, you can see right now I have turned all app that taking my iPhone battery in the background. So if you want to also turn it on, you need to simply select any app. If you want to single, turn off. If you want to all and turn off background app refresh, simply tap on background app refresh and turn it off. By do that simple step, you can easily turn all apps that taking battery in your iPhone backend. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.